On our Pecha Kucha is Ashley Martof from the Youngstown State University, and she's a graduate student or about to graduate graduate school in May. So if those of you that have been around America Makes for a while, you're familiar with Ashley. She's been with us as an intern, but now she's back to tell us what she's got going on now. So Ashley, it's all yours.
Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Ashley Martof. I am an industrial and systems engineering major at Youngstown State University, and today I wanted to share with all of you my story about being a woman in manufacturing. So as soon as you start grade school, you're asked the question, what do you want to do when you grow up? And this question gets repeated through high school. Do whatever you want to do. Reach for the stars. Do what you love. These are some of the motivational quotes you'll hear from teachers and parents. Do what I love. I love animals. So I was determined to have a career that dealt with animals. I decided this at a very young age and stuck with it. It might have changed from veterinarian to animal ranger to marine biologist, but I stuck with it. That all changed my high school sophomore year when my math teacher asked to talk with me after class. She asked, Ashley, you like math and science? I said, yes, of course I do. This next question she asked I will never forget. She asked, have you ever looked into the engineering field? Engineering? I was shocked when she suggested this. Back then, I thought engineering was a boring man's career. What would a little redhead girl want to do with engineering? But man, was I intrigued to find out more. I did a lot of research and found the endless opportunities from the hundreds of engineering fields out there. I look back on that day often and realize I was very fortunate to be influenced to go into STEM. If girls aren't influenced and encouraged at a young age, their interest starts to decrease and stereotypes start to play a role in what career choice they want. Out of all the engineering fields, I chose industrial and systems engineering. To me, it seemed like the most unique type of engineering. Improved quality, productivity, efficiency. With this type of career, if I was determined, I could get a career with any company. Every company is looking for improvements, right? So my sophomore year in college, I was introduced to manufacturing. A couple of tours at manufacturing facilities, and I was hooked. I took for granted how everything ends up on store shelves. I had no idea everything we buy was manufactured in some way. The manufacturing process fascinated me. Then I got the opportunity to tour the National Additive Manufacturing Innovation Institute and was introduced to additive manufacturing, a layer-by-layer process that produces parts in one step. This new technology was revolutionary, especially to an industrial engineer. If you can design it, it can be produced. Complexity is only limited to your imagination. Customization is truly unique and can be custom perfectly to the customer. This is all possible now with this new technology. So I had to get involved, and I did. I got an internship here at America Makes and fell in love. As an intern, I got to learn so many cool things, and I also met my fiance here at America Makes. As workforce and educational outreach intern, I got tasked to develop curriculum for students and teachers in additive manufacturing. A quick Google search back then made me realize there was no curriculum yet, and I would have to develop it from scratch. Now when you look for curriculum, it's everywhere. It's amazing how fast this technology is moving. After my internship, I still wanted to be involved with the local community. I knew how important it was to start teaching our younger generations and especially get girls excited about STEM. I had my first opportunity to host a 3D printing summer camp for the Lewis School. My first camp focused on showing the girls the difference between traditional and additive manufacturing. The girls got to do their own sand castings with sand and plaster, and then Hometown Products came in with a 3D printed sand mold and we did a pour for them. This was a great way to show the girls the benefits of additive manufacturing. With quick prints and hundreds of hands-on activities, it is important that schools take advantage of 3D printing and design software. It can be incorporated into history, science, geography, math, engineering, and so many more classes. The opportunities are endless. As a master's student, my current research is focused on maintenance and sustainment efforts in aerospace. Additive manufacturing can reduce lead time, buy-to-fly ratio, and allow the Air Force to produce parts in-house when there is an urgent need. A great example of additive manufacturing in aerospace is the Made in Space effort. If an astronaut needed a tool, it would take several months for them to receive it from Earth. But with additive manufacturing, they can be sent a file and print the tool in the same day. What I am most excited about is all the jobs that are being created locally. With the help of America Makes, the Youngstown Business Incubator, and Youngstown State University, the Mahoning County is one of the #1 locations for additive manufacturing. I am so excited that I won't have to move far, but continue to inspire younger generations and make a local impact. I wanted to end today with a couple of quotes. The first one is, "Children must be taught how to think, not what to think." Manufacturing is dirty, STEM is for boys. These are just a couple of the stereotypes we hear. Do whatever you want to. Don't let anything hold you back. And the last quote is from Henry Ford. It's, "If I had asked my customers what they wanted, they would have said a faster horse." This is a perfect quote for 3D printing. We are no longer limited. Instead of improving the old, let's start designing new. Thank you.